Hi, Norman Hallett here with another edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. Now, what I talk about here on these 4-minute drills pertains to all areas of trading: stocks, futures, bonds, forex, options. Why? Because all traders of all trading arenas need trading discipline to succeed. Okay, with that in mind, I'd like to talk about a subject that I cannot stress enough: the subject of keeping your losses to a minimum. The most debilitating moment for a trader is the moment after you take a big percentage loss, 10%, 20%, or even larger in a single trade. And taking these kinds of big percentage losses in a single trade is unacceptable and means only one thing: you're out of control. The empty feeling in the pit of your stomach is enough to, in many cases, cause a cascade effect where you panic to make up the loss, only to take lower and lower probability trades in a race to get your money back now, leading ultimately to the blown out account and the total feeling of defeat. You must not let this have a chance of happening. In fact, this is your main credo as a trader: defend at all costs against the high percentage loss. You need to be acutely aware of the actual numbers of what it takes to recover from a high percentage loss or a series of high percentage losses. If you take a loss of 10% on a single trade or group of trades, in order to get that money back, you must have a 12% gain in your remaining equity. If you take a loss of 25% on a trade or group of trades, the percentage gain you need on your remaining equity to get back to even is 33%. You're getting the picture? And it gets much worse from here. Let your account fall 50%, you need to double your money to get back to even. And if you lose 2/3 of your original equity over the course of a losing streak, you'll have to triple your money to get back to even. And frankly, that's not going to happen. So, you need to make rules, strict, unshakable rules, that you will not lose any more than 2.5 or 3% on a single position, or 5.5 or 6%, somewhere in that range, in any portfolio of positions you may hold at any one time. What you need to prevent with your strict rules is any kind of double-digit loss event in any moment or period of time, a day, a week, a month, depending on your trading type, the kind of markets that you trade. The disciplined trader is the trader who is wise enough to realize that when you lose in a trade, you need a higher percentage gain measured against your equity to get that money back. And it's just math. We accept this scenario as disciplined traders, and we work around it, and we let it motivate us to defend against the high percentage loss. Keep your loss amounts in check by design, and your odds for gains, not losses, in the long term will dramatically increase. Okay, that's it for this edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. But before I go, I'd like to invite you to visit our website, thedisciplinedtrader.com, and check out our new The Disciplined Trader Mastery Kit, our new take-home training to get you disciplined. We're very proud of the new Mastery Kit, and we're very proud to be able to offer it to you. So make sure you grab one for yourself. It contains everything you need to be the disciplined trader. And in the meantime, I'll see you next week with another edition of 4-Minute Drill for Traders. And until then, say it with me: stay disciplined.